Hello everyone! Hello mga ka-Watsons! Mga ka-beauty besties! Good afternoon! For today, I just want to share with you guys our Derm Action Plus by Watsons. It is SPF 50 PA+++. Yan mga guys, itry nyo siya kasi napakaganda niya. It is easy absorbent, lightweight formula, paraben free. Yan, so sa mga naghahanap ng mga skincare na moisturizer plus sunblock, sunscreen, you can try our bestseller Derm Action Plus by Watsons. So it helps to protect your skin from UVA, UVB, blue light, and IR, the causes of dark spots, skin damage, and photo aging. You can try our Derm Action Plus by Watsons.
Try our best-seller Derm Action Moisturizer Sunscreen SPF 50. Sale up to 30% off, easy absorbent, water-resistant, paraben-free, reach-safe, dermatology tested. Protect your skin from UVA, UVB, ATV, I are the causes of dark spots.